Hey YouTube, Deliara here from Samyara's Den, where Sam and I explore various recipes for the everyday you. Since Sam has become very passionate about baking sourdough bread, I've been breaking my head what to do with the sourdough discard. And one of the solutions I've come up with is to make this whole wheat double chocolate chip muffins. These muffins are honestly one of the best things that I have come up with. The best part is that they are vegan friendly. Yep, you heard it right. No eggs, no dairy products, provided you use dark chocolate chips that don't contain any milk. If you don't bake sourdough bread at home, but still want to try out our recipe, check out the vegetarian version that uses buttermilk in the description below. Let's get to our ingredients. We will need 3 ripe bananas. As long as they're medium to large in size, we are good. 100 grams of jaggery, 200 grams of water, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 210 grams of sourdough discard, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, a generous pinch of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of soda, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 120 grams of vegetable oil. I use sunflower oil here. About 200 grams of whole wheat flour, and 150 grams of dates and chocolate chips combined. If you have a sweet tooth like me, you are more than welcome to add more. First, I like to start by dissolving jaggery in water on a low to medium flame. Once the jaggery is dissolved, I add instant coffee to our mixture. In a bowl, I mash 3 ripe bananas, and once they are done, I add our coffee mixture into the bowl. Mix well. Now add in your sourdough discard. After this step, start adding ingredients one by one: vanilla essence, salt, cocoa powder. Then soda. Mix well. Look at our volcano effect. I think it is my favorite part of the recipe. Now it's time for oil. It takes some time for the oil to incorporate properly, so don't rush the process. We are nearing the finish line. Time to add whole wheat flour. Look at our batter. It's already of the right consistency to bake. Lastly, I add my fillings: chocolate chips and dates. I like to cut my dates so that they would spread more evenly in the batter. And here we go! In a few simple steps, our batter for the muffins is ready. Take the muffins cups and fill them up to 3/4 of the size. You'll see that our muffins are going to rise in the oven. While you are filling in your muffins cups, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius with the heat applied from the top and bottom heating elements. Our muffins are ready to be popped in! Bake the muffins for 40 minutes or until a wooden toothpick comes out clean. Our delicious muffins are ready! You may treat them as cupcakes and decorate with some frosting. But our favorite is these muffins as they are. Yummy! If you liked our video, you'll definitely love our easy chocolate cake recipe over there. I'm Deliara from Samyara's Den. Until next Monday!